Imagine waking up in the morning feeling light, refreshed, and full of energy, completely forgetting what constant tiredness and frequent sickness feel like. Sounds unbelievable? All you need is ordinary salt and just 1 minute of your time. Don't believe it? Then keep watching until the end, because you'll learn about an ancient but rarely known method that our ancestors used to stay healthy and energetic for years. This is not an advertisement, it's simple, time-tested wisdom. We do our best to share helpful and reliable information about health with you. So, to stay updated with new videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you support our work and will always be the first to receive valuable health tips and recommendations. Thank you for choosing to take care of your health with us. Why salt? Salt has strong antiseptic and anti-inflammatory qualities. But what truly matters is how and where you use it. In this video, we'll show you the exact part of your body where applying a salt solution can activate your body's natural healing process. Many people think it's just for the mouth or throat, but there's one area most of us overlook. Cleaning this area regularly with salt can help reduce inflammation, improve lymph flow, support kidney function, and ease constant fatigue. It can even strengthen your immune system, without any medicine. So, how do you prepare the solution? Take some warm water and add sea salt or regular table salt, but make sure the proportions are correct. We'll share the safe and effective recipe. How often should you use it? Doing it 2 to 3 times a week is enough to see real results in just a few days. You'll notice clearer skin, better sleep, and less pain in your joints and muscles. What does science say about this? Modern studies confirm that cleansing certain areas of the body with salt water can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, improve blood flow, boost metabolism, and even lift your mood by calming the nervous system. In one experiment at a Japanese university, elderly participants were asked to apply a salt compress to a specific part of their neck and chest every day. After just 2 weeks, more than 70% of them reported better sleep, fewer headaches, and more energy in the morning. Now, how is this related to fatigue and illness? Many people think tiredness comes only from lack of sleep, but in reality, it often happens because of blocked lymph flow, poor circulation, and long-term inflammation in the body. When you use warm salt water, it creates a natural drainage effect that helps your body remove toxins through the skin, lymph, and kidneys. So, how do you do it properly? Here's a step-by-step guide. Take 1 glass of warm water, around 38 to 40 degrees Celsius. Add 1 teaspoon of sea salt or regular salt without any additives. Stir until the salt is completely dissolved. Dip a towel or cotton pad into the solution. Gently wipe the back of your neck, underarms, chest, and the area below your navel. Do this for 5 minutes in the morning and evening. Important note: don't use this method if you have open wounds, skin infections, or allergies. Always test it on a small area first to make sure it's safe for your skin. What do natural health experts say? Many traditional healers believe that when a person cleanses their body regularly, both inside and out, diseases simply cannot take hold. Salt has been used in Ayurveda, Tibetan medicine, and other ancient healing systems for centuries, and that's not a coincidence. To make the salt cleanse even more effective, start your morning with a glass of warm lemon water, do a few minutes of stretching or deep breathing, and drink herbal infusions like chamomile, ginger, or rosehip tea. And here's another secret: try a salt foot bath. Our feet are full of reflex zones connected to different organs in the body. If you're feeling tired, just add some salt to warm water and soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll feel your fatigue, headache, and even stress melt away. This simple daily ritual can completely change how your body feels. Try it for just 5 days in a row, and you'll see the difference yourself: more energy, less pain, better mood, and a stronger immune system. Most importantly, you'll feel like you're back in control of your health. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy simple, natural, and effective health tips. Remember, your health is truly in your hands.